Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where all the fuse and relay banks are located on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps me out a lot. So the first one that I'll show you, and there are three. The first one is down here on the driver's kick plate down here. So we're going to pull firmly on this cover and it'll snap out like that. And you can see a fuse and relay bank back here. In the owner's manual, it tells you what all these fuses are, but there are also relays back here and up here on this panel. I'm not sure exactly what they run, but there are more relays right there. So we are going to replace our cover here, and then we are going to pop our hood. Now we have two fuse and relay banks right here, so you can access this back one. Squeeze these tabs, open it. There is a diagram on the back to tell you what all those fuses and relays are. And then this one opens, just pull up on these two tabs right here. And there's a diagram here for most of the relays and none of the fuses, but it does tell you what the fuse amperages are. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.